Good morning, YouTube, and welcome to today's vlog. Literally, you guys are gonna think I wear this shirt every single day, but I literally just washed it. I promise I don't do that every day. Anyway, so I wanted to come on here and kind of vlog, like a reaction vlog, first thing in the morning before I go to work, because my sister gave me this peanut butter from RX bar, and I love the RX bars, but I've never had the peanut butter. This is the pumpkin spice one. I don't quite know how I'm gonna feel. I did just make some oatmeal here, so I'm gonna put some on it and we'll see how I feel. I did just want to do a reaction, so let me go ahead and put this on top of the oatmeal and then I will tell you guys what I think. Alright, here's the taste test. Hopefully I didn't put too much. I love peanut butter, so if this is bad, I'm gonna be really sad. I don't hate it. It's not my favorite, but I definitely don't hate it. I would recommend. And it does something really yummy too. Oatmeal. So by now I've already revealed exactly where we're going to be for our trip. If not by chance, then I'm just gonna say it now. We're going to be on a cruise. By the time this video goes up, it's either gonna go up the day before we leave or the very first day that we're there. So either way, I wanted to kind of briefly show a little bit of what I packed. Andrew and I are going on a Disney cruise. We're just doing like an extended weekend. Basically, it's just 3 nights out of Port Canaveral. We're doing on the Disney Dream. Really? Lay down. Go get on your bed. Go on. Go get on your bed. So we're just doing 3 nights on the Disney Dream. This is actually a cruise that we've done before. One other time. I could not tell you how many cruises I've been on, honestly. This is Andrew's 2nd cruise, but the main reason that we're going again is because one of the options, or one of the things that we did, was we booked this one when we were on our last one, and when we went on that one, it was actually during hurricane season. So really long story short, the weather was kind of bad towards the end. We didn't get to go to Castaway Cay, which is Disney's private island, and so we booked another one. Anyway, so just a brief kind of overview of what I packed, and I'll show you guys kind of a closer up version of this. This is just going to be a cheat sheet because I'm sure you can use your imagination. Obviously, undergarments, if you're a girl, bras and underwear. If you're a boy, underwear, unless you wear bras too, whatever. Socks as well, depending what you're planning to do. A lot of cruises will offer you different port adventures. Some of them, like the longer cruises, will allow you to do things that it would make you want to wear closed-toed shoes. The other thing with Disney, I know like on this particular ship, there's an area like up in the very top deck where you can play like sports and things like that, so you'd obviously want to dress accordingly for that. You want to make sure you have clothes for dinner. Like I said, we're on there for 3 nights, so I need to plan for 3 nights. There's not a formal night on this cruise because it's a shorter cruise, but I've just brought some maxi dresses, and I'm also going to bring some jeans and like little tops to wear depending on what my mood is. More than likely I'm going to wear these maxi dresses for 2 of the nights, and then I'll wear jeans another night. One thing I cannot stress enough about, if you're like us, you should bring comfy clothes. So I would recommend sweatshirts and sweatpants because it's a little chilly on the ships. I'm bringing 2 pairs of jeans, tons of bathing suits between being on the ship and going to the pool, and then also things like port. When you're in port on the ships, you want to definitely have bathing suits. Bathing suits includes cover-ups, shorts. I plan on going to the gym a few times while we're there, so I'm bringing clothes to work out in. And then I have a couple of different types of shoes, such as sneakers to work out in and wear, nicer sandals for dinner, my slides, and then kind of like pool shoes that I can, you know, I don't really care as much about like if they get, you know, stolen or something like that on the top deck. It's fine. So I'm actually going to show you guys a short montage here of all the clothes that I kind of have packed.